Hello, my friends. I am so excited to share this month's Stamp and Die Hard Club set with you because it is time for summer. And summer is my favorite time of year. I do love Christmas, but summer, I love flip-flops. I love sand between my toes. I like the sun. I'm always under an umbrella, but I like the sun. And I just love everything about summer. Well, this is a summer set, let me tell you. And I'm madly, deeply in love with this one. It is called Cool Ice Pops. And I couldn't say the word, the popsicle word, because that's like trademark. So it's ice pops. And just so you know. So look how cute these are. Now, there are two different kinds, but one has a bite taken out of it, which I love. Now, these little guys over here are for you to be able to stamp on the inside, like in a different color. I have samples. Don't worry, I'm going to show you. Then we have some fun words. Have an ice day. Sending cool vibes. You're a real treat. A small hello. Keep it cool. A fun little happy face, because sometimes we want to put happy faces on our little items, right? A little small version of the popsicle, ice pop, and a couple little drips, because what if it's melting? It's melting. Now, Stamp Club members, you are getting this sent to you automatically. So awesome, right? And we do have some Stamp Club members. That's awesome. But if you are anything like me, there is no way in the world I'm getting these out to cut around these. I always call it fuzzy cutting. I don't know who came up with fussy. It's fuzzy. It's always a mess, right? Well, at least at my house. Well, we also have the dies that match. And our Die Hard Club is the same stamps as the Stamp Club and the dies that match. Now, you are getting the inside dies and the shadow dies. I don't think I explained that enough. So you can die cut the stamped image exactly if you want to, or you can die cut it with a shadow all the way around. The choice is yours. We give you both options, right? So you are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, about 11 or 12 dies here. Now, I'm not counting the extra drips. I added in extra drips because I'm going to lose mine. And if you're anything like me, I'm a little flighty sometimes. Don't laugh. I needed extras, so I added in extras. Now, I can't wait to show you all my samples, but let me tell you, I'm only going to show you a couple samples because the next video of all the add-on items to the collection, the samples were so amazing, I wanted to make that a big video, okay? So I'm just going to show you a handful here. Also, Stamp and Die Hard Club members get a cute little idea card showing you what else is in the collection, and also tons more ideas on our website, right? Here we go. Let's jump in. So here we can add those cute little decal edge fun little shapes on there. And this is on a mini slimline. Summer is my favorite season. Now that stamp set's coming up, I betcha. Here we go. Here's another cute one. Cool. Making all of your different background paper with the stamps that are coming up in the next video. Look how cute those little happy faces are on there. Also, see those cute little patterns on there? That's from the stencil. Now, don't forget, you guys, the stencil is limited edition. Here we go. Here's those cute little ice creams with the bite taken out of. I just absolutely love that. Ooh, here's another one. Here's an example of those little oval rectangles, or whatever you want to call them, rounded rectangles, to stamp on the inside of your ice pop. I was like back and forth. I was like, do I want that? Do I not want it? So I made it a separate stamp, so it was optional. But look at the cute little happy face. Have an ice day. Here's another one using all of the extra add-on words in the collection to make your own background paper and a cute little purple ice pop. Now, go check out the next video. There are so many add-on items to this collection. You are definitely going to want to get in on them. Now, the add-on items, not the club items, the add-on items, the first 24 hours they're on our website are on flash sale. So go check them out ASAP because you want to get in on that flash sale, right? If you're missing the flash sale in the future, just so you know, we release new items on the 1st, 7th, 15th, and the 20th of each month. On the 25th, we re-release items that maybe were retired or in a kit or something like that that are separate. So my friends, go check out the next video because I cannot wait to show you the next part of this collection. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe buttons, and we've added some featured videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So check out one of those and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we always release new videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.